Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Huawei Nova Y61, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port. So if you want to clean your USB charging port using household items, firstly remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector to not damage your USB port. So firstly you need to take the cover off and I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use, but you can take any other plastic object. Then just insert the one part of the brush or plastic pin into the connector and try to pry the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.